Hey everyone! Welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new. I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to continue my Empties series and tell you a little bit about the Jordan Essentials products that I've used up this month. Jordan Essentials is a direct selling company, and our products are botanically based, made in the USA, and all of our products contain ingredients that are safe for everyone in your family, from your husband to your kids, all the way down to your pets. So the products that I'm going to share with you today are the products that I've used up from about mid-April until now, mid-May. So let's jump in. The first product that I'm going to talk to you about today is our Moisturizing Formula Shampoo with Rosemary. This is the large size. It is 16 ounces. We do have a smaller size as well. The moisturizing formula is great for color treated hair because it has added ingredients like aloe and jojoba and some rich shea butter that helps to moisturize your hair and really help keep that color lasting longer. It's a lightweight formula with Pro B vitamins, and I use it every time I wash my hair. I also pair it with our conditioner, which is almost out, so you'll probably see that product in next month's video. So just to give you an idea of this product, I was smart with this one, and when I started using it, I wrote the date on the back, which is kind of wearing off, but I started using this product in October of 2020, and now it is May of 2021. So it has taken me that long to use this product, and it cost about $29. So just to kind of give you a little bit of a price comparison to the cheaper stuff that you can use, this is full of yummy ingredients for your hair, and it lasts a really long time. The next product that I'm going to talk to you about is something that I have been using for a while. It's taken me a while to use it up. It is our Lavender and Eucalyptus Spritzer. This is actually a fragrance spritzer that we no longer carry. We just have our essential oil spritzers, and now they're all boosted with magnesium, so they are amazing products. This is one that I have from a while ago, and I was just using it as a room spray, so it took me a little longer to use. But with any of our sprays, they are full of non-harmful ingredients, non-toxic, so it's safe to spray in your rooms or on your person. The next product that I am going to tell you about that I have used up is our Tone and Firm Serum. Our face serums are something that I have incorporated into my skin regimen since starting with Jordan Essentials about 2 years ago. The serums are now something that I would not go without. Once I wash my face, the serums always go on. So our Tone and Firm Serum is actually boosted with peptides and helps reduce wrinkles. It also has grapefruit and caffeine, so it has those extra anti-aging benefits. Our serums can be applied all over your face and down your neck. One area that I always say never forget is once you're finished going all the way from your neck up to your forehead, if you have a little bit left on your fingers, put it on the back sides of your hands. Don't ever wipe it off, because all of those good ingredients can help to reduce the signs of aging on your hands too, which is one of the first places that you'll see signs of aging. And finally, the last product that I'm going to share with you that I have used up is my Jordan Essentials deodorant. This one is in the Promise fragrance and has since been replaced with my very favorite fragrance, which is the Oatmeal Milk and Honey. All of our deodorants smell great. They are aluminum and paraben free, so they're non-toxic, they're not harming your body, they're not clogging the pores in your armpits, they're allowing your body to sweat and perspirate like you're supposed to, but they're still fighting against odor. All of our deodorants are great. I have had several people use other aluminum and paraben free deodorants from other companies and then have made the switch to Jordan Essentials because they love it so much. And remember, we also have a bundle available with our deodorants where you can purchase the Spritz Your Pits spray. It's an essential oil spray that helps fight bacteria and germs and odor, and it's great for a midday refresh, especially going into the warmer months. So these are my products that I've used up this month. Remember, all of our products are non-toxic and the ingredients are good for you. You know that you're making good decisions for yourself and your family when you're choosing Jordan Essentials. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. I appreciate it so much. If I can answer any questions about any of the products that I have used up this month or any of the products throughout the catalog, feel free to reach out. Check out the description box below where you'll find a link to the catalog and a link to my website, and I can help with any questions or any ordering that you may need help with. I hope that you have a great day. I hope that you make someone smile today and find the silver lining in anything that you do. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.